Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to order something from Too Good To Go app. Now if you want to order something from Too Good To Go app but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now if you want to order something from Too Good To Go app, then make sure that you have installed the Too Good To Go app on your device. So if you have not installed, you may simply install it from App Store or Play Store on your device. So after that you need to simply open Too Good To Go app and make sure that you are logged into your account. So after that you need to click on the browse section, which is at the very bottom of the page. So here you will see the list, so you may choose the location. So I don't have any stores available in my area yet, so after that you need to choose a surprise bag. Here you will find the number of surprise bag which are available in your location. So if you find any surprise bag then and you want to choose it, then you need to choose the surprise bag and click on the option of reserve. So after clicking on the option of reserve, you need to process the checkout. So after that you need to select the payment method, that is like credit card, debit card, or Apple Pay or Google Pay. So after selecting that, you need to simply purchase the product and you need to pay a certain price for it. So after that you may go on the store which you have purchased the product at a specific time, and you may go on the app and click on the option of my purse, and you need to swipe the confirm pickup when you are with the staff. So after doing this, you will be able to order something and buy something from the Too Good To Go app. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.